You should be looking at your desktop, which is your blue screen. Now mine has a picture of my kids on it, but yours should be blue with swirls going through it like a white area right here in the middle. Okay, that's your desktop. From your desktop, we're going to have to find PowerPoint. These computers are not set up like mine is. Okay, mine over here, my laptop is a little bit different. I have stuff somewhere it's easy for me to find. But you're going to have to find yours the old-fashioned way. So you're going to have to go to your Start menu and click and open it up. That's the only step I want you to do is open it up. Okay? Some of you are going to have Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 listed right here. It's going to have an orange rectangle with a P on the inside of it. If you see that, you may go ahead and open PowerPoint that way. Alright? If you do not, watch me up here. At the very bottom, you have All Programs. Go to All Programs and open it up. It's going to bring up a list of programs on your computer. Okay? It's got a scroll bar on the side. You can go up and down. I want you to find the folder, one of the yellow folders on the side and names, and I want you to find Microsoft Office. Click on it and open it up. Microsoft Office is the main program where PowerPoint and Word and Excel and Publisher and all these are located on your computers. Okay? It says Microsoft Office. Alright? Everybody found it. Find PowerPoint 2010 with the same orange rectangle and P and open it up. When you open it up, it's going to open up a screen that looks like this. It says, click to add title. It's a blank white page with a broken box, a smaller box at the bottom. Click to add subtitles. If you see that, you're in the right place. Okay? Remember, go to All Programs. Right here. Go to Microsoft Office. And then go to PowerPoint. It's real easy to hit the wrong one if you don't pay attention. That's alright. Now, I'm going to tell you... Yes, sir. That's fine. You click in the box. It's fine. If you see where it says... See where mine says right here, click to add title?
Yes.
If you do not see this and it looks like that in the middle, all that means is it's been clicked in. It's ready for you to type in now. Don't worry about that yet. Okay? Now, to make this easier, because we're going to check these computers out several times before now and when we actually complete this project, I want you to do what is called pin this program to the taskbar. This down here at the bottom is your taskbar. These are all the things. Right now, these are all the things that I'm working on. I have the internet open. I have Promethean open. I have Excel open. I have my on-screen keyboard open. I have PowerPoint open. All this is open on my computer. On yours, nothing should be highlighted or nothing should be colored except your PowerPoint. Alright? Now, this is what I want you to do. We're going to do something called a right click. I want you to look by where your little mouse pad is, where you move your finger around. Okay? You have two buttons at the bottom. Alright? If this is my mouse pad, this whole thing, I have two buttons down here at the bottom. Right, left. We're going to right click. So I want you to follow me. Take your mouse. See my mouse? My cursor? Take it down to your P. It's going to turn like an orange color when you mouse over it. Okay? Once you see it moused over it, I want you to leave it there. Now we're going to right click. Okay? When you right click, it's going to bring up, sorry, I did the wrong place. It's going to bring up a list of things like this. Yours probably only have 2 or 3 things listed.
3.
So right click on it. Right here. Right click. At the very bottom, you see a red X that says close window. We do not want you to click that. Okay? Right above that, it says pin this program to the taskbar with a little push pin tack looking thing. Click on that. Okay? And then when you do it, it'll go away. That little box is going to go away. Click on that.
Where?
Right there. Pin the program to the taskbar. It should be your middle option, your middle choice. After you do that, it's going to go away. Alright? After you've clicked on it and it's gone away, go to the red X and close your PowerPoint.
I don't see anything that's on there.
Isaiah, they need you, buddy. Thank you, Dustin. Now, when you click your red X, I want you to look at your taskbar at the bottom. Or at the top in Dominique's case. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Look, what's on the taskbar now? What?
The P.
The P. Now, when you want to open PowerPoint, you want to open PowerPoint, I want you to go to the P. Click on the P only from your taskbar, and it's going to pop it right up. You don't have to go to the Start menu anymore. You don't have to go into the Start menu. All you have to do is go to your P. Go to your P and open it up. It's at the top. It's fine, son. It's at the top. Go ahead and open your PowerPoint back up. Okay? Now we're going to get started adding stuff in. I need you to open your PowerPoint up. Okay? We can tie our shoes in a minute. Alright. Everybody should be looking. This is your first screen. When you come to PowerPoint, it's the first thing you're going to see. This is your very first slide. Your very first slide, when you do your historical figures project, is going to be your project title, which is historical figures, and your subtitle is going to be your name. So right now, I'm going to add historical figures. Now you have a box at the bottom down here that says click to add subtitle. In this case, your subtitle I want to be your name. So click down here where it says click to add subtitle, and I want you to type in your name. And do the same thing. Oop, I spelled my name wrong.
Mr. Cook, I don't know how, I hit the top and nothing happened, see?
Click up here. And you're not clicking the bottom box. Alright, click on the bottom box, click to add subtitle, and add your name. Oh, when you're playing with the sun.
Mr. Cook, I'm done.
Click to add your subtitle.
I'm done.
Wrong.
You don't put your last name. Mr. Cook, can we put our last name? Our last name? Can we put our last name?
Yeah, put your last name. Put your first name and last name.
Oh,
now see, I didn't put a capital on mine. I'd have to go back and fix that. So this is my historical figures project with Mr. Cook. Huh? If you want to put by your name, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Alright.
Mr. Cook, Mac clip has a red line on it.
That's just because it doesn't recognize that as a name, but don't worry about that. Now, some of you are going to have a red squiggly line under your name. If you do, it's fine. Don't worry about it. You know how to spell your name. We'll fix that at another time. Right now, I want you to just worry about this. Alright, and click somewhere out of your box, and it'll take your text boxes away, and you'll see this. Now, this is how you add your name, your title, or any kind of title slide you're going to put on the presentation at all. Okay? Any kind of title slide. If you're talking about dinosaurs, this would be where you put your dinosaur name, the one you research or whatever, or whatever you're talking about, you're going to put here. This, it could be. This is telling everybody what you're talking about. When I open this up, I'm going to say, alright, these people are talking about historical figures. I'm going to learn something about a historical figure in this presentation. Okay? Our presentation is going to require 5 slides. Now, we need to add another slide. I want you to look at the top at the tabs. Cheyenne, you have an orange file tab up here at the top. You have an orange file tab up at the top. Right beside, we'll talk about that in a second. Right beside the file tab is a home tab, which is what you're on now. If you're looking here and it has this tab at the top, it looks just like mine, you're on the right thing. If you look right under the word home,
it doesn't have like letters or anything. Oh, it says new slide.
That's right.
Mr. Cook.
If you see right under home, it's going to say new slide. Now this is a 2-part click. Okay? What that means is this top part with the piece of paper and the sun will automatically give you a default, or what they have told the computer or this software to give you if you click it. That is the one I want you to use. If you make a mistake and click on the words, it's going to bring this up. If it brings this up, all I want you to do is go back to the piece of paper and click on that. Everybody click on the piece of paper with a little sun flash burst thing at the top. Right on top of where it says new slide. right on top of new slide. It's going to give you a new paper, a new diagram, a new slide, whatever you're going to call these things. Okay? Now, this is your default slide. It's going to give you a title. See, if you look right here, if you click on the word, do not do this, but if you click on the word by accident, new slide, it's the second one, title and content. Okay? That's the one we will be using. We may use one of these different ones, but let me help you with that if you have to do that. I will talk to you about how to do it and why to do it. Okay? Now, so we have a new slide added in. Click to add title. Click here. I want everybody to type the same thing. Right now we're going to pretend I'm your historical figure. Okay?
Yeah.
So I want you to type in my name. M-R period space my name. Mr. Cook. I'm going to be your historical figure for right now.